We're again going to use this surd law in order to simplify the expression we're given here. To do this, we first need to express it in simplest possible surds. 72 is 36 times 2. 32 is 16 times 2. And finally, 8 is 4 times 2. So we have factors, one of which is a square number. We can split this into root 36, root 2. We just have the 4 and then the square root of 16 times the square root of 2, and then we have the 5 and the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. The square root of 36 is 6, so this is 6 times root 2, 6 root 2. The square root of 16 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16, so we have 16 root 2. And the square root of 4 is 2, so 5 times 2 is 10 root 2. We can then collect these up. 6 and 16 is 22, so we have 22 root 2's, take away 10 root 2's, which gives us 12 root 2's.